welcome to How to Grow Garden. I'm down at the village. I wanted to talk a little bit today about how I make my soil. Actually, it's kind of all around this little circle, this village area. It starts with the hay barn. I then bring it over here and I feed the goats. From the hay barn to the goat barn, when I feed them the hay, they eat a lot of it, but they also drop a ton of it. And what they do eat, they drop out the back end. It's really hot because it started to decompose, which is awesome. So it's heating up and breaking down. So this pile back here, this is hay manure from the goats. And it is the pig's job to turn it over and make it look so beautifully dark and awesome. And now it's been raining. We've had some really good rain the last few days, so it's wet. So what I do when it's wet is I add sawdust or wood chips, but in this case sawdust, in wheelbarrow loads, and I dump it into the pigs to pull out some of that moisture. And then they in turn are gonna step on it and stomp on it. Not much different from making grapes. They're just gonna make the most amazing black soil, which has all these beautiful inputs. When your compost breaks down, it just, it decomposes. It turns into soil, and that's exactly what we're doing. I also put this, if you're wondering, on top of all of my beds. It is my mulch of preference. Will eventually gray, and we also have bales of hay. Now that goes into my beds, but never on the top because the hay is full of seeds. The input from the pigs is eventually, and I'll give them a few weeks on that, but it's eventually taken out of there in wheelbarrows with pitchforks, and it's brought over here and piled up. And then I let that sit for the entire winter so that it has time to freeze and thaw and freeze and heat up and break down even more. And then I come with a wheelbarrow, fill this stuff into my wheelbarrow, and take it over to the greenhouse. This is what the soil looks like when it's all done. There's still bits in it. There are bits of straw. There are clumps for sure, but this is all fine. Now I wouldn't use this necessarily to start seedlings because seedlings needs a fertilizer-free environment. So something like loam would be your best bet. This, on the other hand, is really finished vintage manure, or what we like to call compost or humus.